इंडिया इज रिकॉर्डिंग मोर देन 50,000 कोविड-19 केसेस डेली। एक तरफ है कोविड की सेकेंड वेव और दूसरी तरफ है कुंभ, पैक्ड रैलीज और आने वाले फेस्टिवल्स। पीपल डोंट सीम टू केयर अबाउट मास्क और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एनीमोर एंड द पेस ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन इज रियली स्लो. At the same time, we are witnessing this explosion in COVID-19 cases exactly a year after the national lockdown. In this video, we will decode India's second COVID-19 wave, the reasons behind it, and why this problem may not be solved easily. In the first few weeks of February, India was recording close to 11 to 14,000 cases of COVID-19 daily. तब सबको लगा कि COVID-19 इंडिया में लगभग खत्म हो चुका है and everybody was chill about it. And that is exactly what the virus was waiting for. उसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि आज इंडिया 50,000 से ज्यादा COVID-19 केसेस रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है और महाराष्ट्र में अकेले 30,000 से ज्यादा COVID-19 केसेस डेली देखे जा रहे हैं. For 14 straight days, the number of new cases are more than the number of recoveries. And not surprisingly, lockdowns, night curfews and restrictions are making a comeback. The reasons behind it are many. Number one, lack of precautions. When COVID-19 cases dropped in February, a lot of us thought that COVID-19 is over. As a result, people stopped wearing masks and social distancing was nowhere to be seen. अब वो इलेक्शन रैलीज हो या फेस्टिवल्स का नजारा, लोग ऐसे बिहेव कर रहे थे कि कोविड-19 तो अब बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है. There were many large gatherings and crowds were seen at many places, and as a result, we are seeing the explosion in the number of cases now. After a year of precautions, the fatigue kicked in, not in just people but also in the administration. This is the reason why testing also fell in the recent months. According to a report, during the first peak in September, India hit a high of conducting close to 15 lakh tests a day. But on February 14th, we hit the low of conducting close to 5 lakh tests. Now that cases have started to rise again, the government is expanding the testing again. Number second, the slow rate of vaccination. India wants to vaccinate 300 million people by August, but the current pace is extremely slow. Reports suggest that hardly 1% of India's population is completely vaccinated. और अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा इसी पेस पर, हमें 10 साल लगेंगे इंडिया की 70% पॉपुलेशन को कंप्लीटली वैक्सीनेट करने में. These numbers will obviously look better once the government expands vaccination to those who are below the age of 45. But this slow pace highlights that citizens are not taking the vaccine at a speed that they should, and the government has also failed to convince them. The third and the most alarming reason for the rise in number of cases is the discovery of mutant strains. The government has recently announced that India has discovered a double mutant strain of coronavirus, which was first discovered in Maharashtra in December, and now it has spread to 18 states. Now, what is a double mutant strain? In easy language, two mutated strains have come together to form a new mutated strain, that is the double mutated strain. अब ये ज्यादा इन्फेक्शियस है या फिर डेडली है, ये तो अभी हमें पता नहीं, लेकिन ये खतरे की घंटी हमारे लिए जरूर है, ये बात पक्की है. अब इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हैं? वही जो आपसे पिछले 1 साल से कहा जा रहा है. While all of you may not have the privilege of working from home, but you can certainly take precautions while you're going out. Mask up, maintain social distancing, and make sure that you wash your hands regularly. If you're eligible, please go and take the vaccine, and even if you are not, help those who are eligible for the vaccination drive. Believe me, it is very simple and it hardly takes 2 minutes. Festival season is coming. We have Holi in a few days and then Eid is also coming. Haridwar is getting ready to host millions of people in Mahakumbh. ऐसे में the only thing that can save us is strictly enforcing COVID appropriate behavior. We have worked really hard in the last 1 year. Let's make sure that we flatten the curve of infections once again. What do you like to say about it? Let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.